let's do a very short and simple routine to strengthen our abs and our quads today. Go ahead and rock on up to the base of your spine. Holding underneath, extend your leg out as straight as possible. Release. Extend, release. Extend, release. Extend. Let's go. Rock on back. Stabilize. Extend your arms out. My feet are in the air. Lengthen, come back. 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 One more, lengthen, come back. Come forward. And we're going to go ahead and just stretch the spine out. Hands on the knees. I'm going to dip my right shoulder towards my left knee and come on up. I'm going to dip my left shoulder towards my right knee and come on up. One more on each side. Stretching and twisting the back and the shoulders a little bit, opening up any tight spots, releasing any tension. Nice. Go ahead and come back on up. Give yourself a nice deep breath. On this one, I'm going to hold under the knees, roll back. Repeat that as many times as is comfortable for you. And then once again, we want to release any tension in the spine. So holding on to the right knee, you're going to take your left arm back and around. Holding on to the left knee, right arm back and around. Let your gaze follow your arm. I'm not pulling on the knee. And come back. Give yourself a nice breath. In the next one, we're going to go ahead, come into a lying position, and then prop yourself up on your elbows, legs up. Go ahead and start breathing in breath of fire, Agnisara. Come on up, reach for your toes, allow your lower back to stretch a little bit. Come back on up. Give yourself a soft inhale and exhale through the nose. Finishing up on your belly with your elbows under your shoulders, arms out in front of you. Hands are out in Spider-Man style, pressing into the mat, my shoulders pulling back in together. And I'm just going to breathe here in Sphinx for a couple of moments. My legs are pulling away from my body. Releasing down. I'm going to clasp my hands behind my back. My feet are long and extended. I'm going to inhale up, pull my arms off of my back, and again, breath of fire. Coming back Rising up into Bhujangasana, wide knees, push back into child.